The Murfreesboro Fire and Rescue Departments want you to be prepared for possible flooding due to the remnants of Ida. Meteorologist Mary Mays has more on what you need to know to be weather ready. Mary?
All right, thank you, Bob. Even if you don't live in Murfreesboro, this is some good advice. If you're on the road and there's a flash flood, don't drive through high water. Don't drive through any road barriers either. They're there to protect you. And if you live in a flood-prone area, make sure you have a plan in place. Get out before the water starts rising if you can. The fire department also recommends keeping storm drains near your home free of debris, and make sure there are no loose grass clippings on the street. The Murfreesboro Fire Rescue Department will be closely monitoring roads that are typically impacted by these heavy rain events. Bob, over to you.
Thank you, Mary. If you want to report flooding in Murfreesboro, you can call the Murfreesboro Emergency Communications Center. The number to call 615-893-1311.